What's up, guys? My Call of Duty here. A couple of months ago, I did a video how to stream from Xbox One to YouTube. Well, that no longer works, and a lot of you have been commenting on the video. Instead of commenting back to you guys on every single post, I figured I'd just do this video. YouTube gaming app did away with it. YouTube took it away. They embraced it, or not embraced it, but they configured it to the regular YouTube some way. I don't know, it's confusing to me. But they should make it so easy for us to just stream like we want to stream to YouTube from our Xbox One. I mean, it's not that complicated. Instead of the two companies fighting here and there, and it's just a whole mess. Sony had no problems with that, but the Xbox One to stream to YouTube, it's a difficult mess, and it's not, you can't get the quality there. It has echoes. I mean, the only way of doing it is the streaming OBS, which you have to have a capture card or something like that. But I'm gonna be doing a couple of videos on how to stream from Xbox One to YouTube. So like I said, I just wanted to do this video to give you guys some more information about it instead of commenting on every single one. So yeah, check that new videos out when I upload them. I'll be doing it within the next couple of weeks. Just been busy trying to get it taken care of. But thanks again for subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And remember to check out the other video here or there, wherever it's at. Have a great day now.